Good morning students, I am Sonu Sharma from Golden Public School. I wish you all are very fine. Welcome to our grammar class, and in this class today our topic is picture based description. So take your grammar book, Grammar Success with Composition. Open it. Page number 86. Okay student, let's start with me. Student, look at this picture. Page number 86. Yes, this picture of a birthday party. Yes, here is cake, gifts, samosas, laddu, jalebi and soft drink. Here is balloon and children. Complete the answers with the help of the word phrases given in the box. Here is some clues to complete the answers. Our first question is, what is the OCCASION occasion? What is the occasion? Tell me, what is the occasion? Yes, it is a birthday party. Look at these clues. Yes. First clue, birthday party. So right here, it is a BIRTHDAY, birthday party. PARTY, that is party. BIRTHDAY, birthday. PARTY, party. It is a birthday party. Next is, how is the room? Yes, look at the room. Look at the room. Tell me, how is the room? Yes, beautifully decorated. Decorated, na? With the balloons, stars, colorful strips and a big balloon. Yes. So our answer is, the room is beautifully decorated. So you write here BEAUTIFULLY, beautifully decorated. DECORATED, decorated. The room is beautifully decorated. Next, what do you see on the table? What do you see on the table? आप टेबल पर क्या देख रहे हो? Yes, I see a cake, snacks and gifts. Yes, what do you see on the table? Yes, children, I see a cake, snacks and gifts. So you write here, complete the sentence. I see a cake, snacks, SNACKS, snakes and gift. Gifts. That is gifts. I see a cake, snakes and gifts. Next question. What are the children doing? What are the children doing? Look at the picture. What are the children doing? They are singing. Yes? They are singing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. आप भी बोलते हो ना बेटा ये सॉन्ग? Happy birthday to you. So they are singing happy 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 birthday BIRTHDAY that is birthday. They are singing happy birthday. Next, how many candles are there on the cake? How many candles? Yes, there are. Yes, how many candles? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 candles on the cake. So you write here. There are TEN 10, CANDLES candles on the cake. CAKE cake. Okay student. So you complete this work. Yes, and you also complete the work in your grammar notebook. आपको क्या करना है बच्चे? अपने बुक में तो किया है ना मैम के साथ, but you have to do this work in your grammar notebook. One sided आप क्या करेंगे? पिक्चर बनाएंगे, क्योंकि इसमें क्या करते हैं हम? पिक्चर बेस्ड हमारी डिस्क्रिप्शन होता है, जो हमें पिक्चर में दिखता है वही हम स्टोरी कंप्लीट करते हैं. यहाँ क्वेश्चन आंसर है तो वो हमने कंप्लीट किए हैं, है ना, अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर पिक्चर. तो आपको ये वर्क बुक एंड नोटबुक दोनों में कंप्लीट करना है. ओके बेटा. नेक्स्ट स्टोरी. ये स्टोरी तो हमने कई बार सुनी है ना बच्चे, है ना, मैम ने सुनाया, मम्मा ने भी सुनाया. अब द लायन एंड द माउस. ओके, नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीट द स्टोरी विद द हेल्प ऑफ these clues. हेल्प बॉक्स में बहुत सारे क्लूज हैं बच्चे, उनको यूज़ करना है और हमें इस स्टोरी को कंप्लीट करना है. One day a lion was resting under a tree. Resting under a tree. Yes, एक दिन क्या कर रहा था लायन? रेस्ट कर रहा था अंडर अ ट्री इन द जंगल. A mouse passed by him squeaking noisily. Yes बच्चे, माउस उनके पास से गया और कौन सी वाली नॉइस कर रहा था वो? स्क्वीक स्क्वीक. द नॉइस disturbed the lion. So you write here disturbed. Disturbed the lion. Okay? The lion was. Yes. The lion was. जब आप डिस्टर्ब होते किसी चीज़ से तो फिर क्या करते हो? Angry. The lion was angry. Okay, beta? Next. The lion roared angrily. I shall have you. Yes. जब लायन ने रोर किया फिर उन्होंने क्या बोला? I shall have you for lunch. मैं आपको खा जाऊंगा. The little mouse pleaded and said. The little mouse pleaded and said. Little mouse ने क्या कहा फिर? Yes, please don't eat me. Please don't eat me. I promise to help you someday. I promise to help you someday. The lion, yes, फिर lion ने क्या किया? Laughed at the mouse. Laughed. Laughed at the mouse. Then the lion let the mouse go. After a few days, the lion was caught in a hunter's trap. क्या हुआ? After a few days क्या हुआ? लायन को किसने पकड़ा? हंटर ट्रैप. शिकारी के जाल में आ गया, हंटर्स ट्रैप में. द माउस पास्ड बाय, और माउस वहां से जा रहा था. ही थॉट टू हेल्प द लायन, क्योंकि उसने प्रॉमिस किया था ना, हेल्प द लायन. It chewed the gnat, CHEWED, chewed the gnat. With, कैसे काटा उसने gnat? With its sharp teeth. जो माउस के टीथ होती है बहुत शार्प होते हैं. इट च्यू द gnat with its sharp teeth. The lion was free. The lion was free. The lion and the mouse became good friends. Good, FRIENDS, good friends. So one more time revise with me. One day a lion resting under a tree in the jungle. A mouse passed by him squeaking noisily. The noise disturbed the lion. The lion was angry. The lion roared angrily. I shall have you for lunch. The little mouse pleaded and said, please don't eat me. I promise to help you someday. The lion laughed at the mouse. Then the lion let the mouse go. After a few days, the lion was caught in a hunter trap. Yes, look at the picture. The mouse passed by. He thought to help the lion. It chewed the net with its sharp teeth. The lion was free. The lion and the mouse became good friends. So, student, to complete this story by the help of help clues. Okay? To complete your work, take a pic, send it to your ma'am. Thank you. Have a nice day.